Your innermost being is the most untroubled part of you. Why? It is joined to God in the Creator's very image within you. Minds are troubled, spirits get down, and hearts are broken, but there is a place of quiet rest within you, God's all love's excelling place. Just for a moment, still your heart, beloved. Lift your spirit to God. Calm your mind. Be still in the peace of the eternal being you truly are. Be held in the arms of the Prince of Peace. In the stillness of God's presence, peace flows like a river, and joy alights upon every speck of light that warms you. The comfort that stillness provides is the comfort of a child who knows their parent is on their side no matter what, sick or well, victorious or crushed. Enter the stillness that is the union of your will with the will of God for you. Welcome the serenity and insight of the divine presence accompanying you no matter what the next step. Be still enough to listen for that love that comes softly, like whispered affections in the ear or the gentle touch of a mother's hand on the fevered brow of her child. Quiet, beloved. Do you hear the stillness? Can you listen for the love that says you are found worthy by the very nature of your creation to be cared for and ushered forth? Can you hear the wooing of God who is taking your hand even now? And even now? God is here, my friend. God is with you in stillness. This is especially evident when you allow the divine presence to be as it wishes, like a mother's tenderness, the protectiveness of a father, the companionship of a sister or brother, the friend that never leaves you or forsakes you. God is all that and more than any of us can speak of as we make din with our tongues. And God tells us to be loved, beloved. Beloved. That was chapter 18, titled Still Enough to Hear the Tender Voice of God, which comes from the book The Sound of Light, written by Leonard Sweet and Lisa Sampson. A book that's intended to be read aloud to those who are suffering. And in particular, in book 1 of this book, it's to be read aloud to those who are nearing life's end. It's a book to be read aloud by someone like you. I would urge you to get a copy so that you have it available to read aloud when you need to, and you will need to.